Welcome to Battle of the Best. The best Mehendi Henna is probably one of the most versatile and beautiful ways to adorn your skin, offering a natural and temporary alternative to permanent tattoos, perfect for celebrations, festivals, or simply expressing your artistic side with intricate designs that tell a story or showcase cultural heritage. Number 5. Koogel Henna Tattoo Stencil Kit. Discover the Koogel Henna Tattoo Stencil Kit, your all-in-one solution for beautiful body art. It includes 18 sheets with 97 reusable stencils for endless creative possibilities. Elevate your look for weddings, festivals, or just everyday fun. These versatile templates are perfect for bridal mehendi, music festivals, and summer body art. Achieve professional-looking henna designs with ease. Simply apply the stencil, fill with henna paste, and peel away for a flawless finish. Enjoy long-lasting creativity with our durable, reusable stencils. They are designed for both intricate bridal designs and bold festival statements. Designed for women, girls, and kids alike, this kit brings the joy of temporary body art to all ages. Create memorable designs for parties and celebrations. From Indian weddings to bachelorette parties, this kit provides the perfect tools. Express yourself with stunning, temporary designs that impress. What we like. This kit offers a fantastic array of reusable designs perfect for any occasion. If you love experimenting with temporary body art for events like music festivals or weddings, this is your go-to. It's ideal for those who want easy application and a professional look without commitment. What people say. The henna cones are easy to use and produce a beautiful, dark stain. The design possibilities are endless with this henna, allowing for intricate and detailed patterns. The henna is natural and organic, making it a safe choice for sensitive skin. Number 4. Just Jaivik Henna Powder. Discover the power of pure, natural henna for your hair. Our powder is crafted from the finest Lawsonia inermis leaves, offering a gentle yet effective way to enhance your hair's natural beauty. Rest assured, our product is USDA certified organic by OneCert Asia. This means it meets the highest standards for purity and quality, ensuring you receive only the best. Experience the difference of a truly natural hair treatment. We guarantee absolutely no chemicals or artificial additives are used in our formulation. Each package contains a generous 227 grams, or 8 ounces, of our premium henna powder. This ample amount ensures you have enough for multiple applications. Embrace a healthier approach to hair care. Our henna powder not only colors but also nourishes your strands, leaving them feeling soft, strong, and vibrant. Choose Just Jaivik for your hair's well-being. We are committed to providing you with pure, organic, and chemical-free hair solutions. What we like. Experience the purity of 100% natural, USDA-certified organic henna. If you're concerned about chemicals and additives in hair dyes, this powder is an excellent choice. It's perfect for those seeking a safe, natural way to color and condition their hair. What people say. This henna is amazing, it stains very dark and lasts for a long time. The henna cones are easy to use and produce beautiful, intricate designs. I love the natural ingredients in this henna, it's gentle on the skin and smells great. Number 3. Hasnayn Enterprises Almas Henna Cones, Reddish Brown. Introducing Almas Henna Cones, your perfect solution for natural hair coloring. Experience the richness of 100% natural ingredients. These cones are ready to use right out of the pack, making your hair coloring process simple and quick. Achieve beautiful results with ease. Get a stunning reddish-brown color that enhances your natural beauty. It's a versatile shade perfect for any occasion. This pack includes 6 henna cones, ensuring you have enough for multiple applications. Enjoy long-lasting color and nourishment. We believe in the power of nature. Our henna paste is made with 100% natural ingredients, safe for your hair and scalp. Trust Hasnayn Enterprises for quality henna products. We are dedicated to bringing you the best in natural beauty solutions. What we like. Get beautiful reddish-brown hair color instantly with these ready-to-use cones. If you need a quick and natural hair coloring solution, these are perfect. They are suitable for anyone looking for a convenient way to achieve a natural-looking hair dye. What people say. The henna cones are easy to use and produce a beautiful, dark stain. The design application is smooth and the henna is finely ground, allowing for intricate details. The stain lasts for a good amount of time, providing a lovely, natural-looking color. Number 2. Nupur Henna Goodness of 9 Herbs 1000 G. Discover the natural way to color and condition your hair. Our product is enriched with the goodness of 9 natural herbs. Made from pure henna, it offers a safe and effective coloring solution. Embrace the richness of nature for your hair care routine. Infused with a blend of 9 beneficial herbs, it nourishes your scalp and strengthens your hair. Achieve vibrant color and healthy shine. This large 1000 G pack ensures you have plenty for multiple applications. Enjoy long-lasting color and deep conditioning with every use. Join countless others who trust this formulation for beautiful, naturally colored hair. It's the perfect choice for a holistic hair care experience. What we like? This option combines the goodness of 9 herbs for superior hair care. If you're looking for a comprehensive henna treatment that nourishes and colors, this is a great pick. It's ideal for those who want a rich, conditioning henna experience in a generous amount. What people say. The henna cones are easy to use and produce a beautiful, dark stain. The design possibilities are endless with this henna, allowing for intricate and detailed patterns. The henna is natural and organic, making it a safe choice for skin. Number 1. Zenia 3-Pack Natural Henna Hair Color Cones. Discover the beauty of natural hair coloring with Zenia. Our henna cones offer a rich, dark reddish-brown shade for a vibrant look. Crafted with 100% natural henna, our paste provides a safe and gentle way to color your hair. Experience a pure and effective hair dye. Each pack contains 325G cones, designed for easy and precise application. Achieve salon-quality results in the comfort of your home. Achieve a stunning dark reddish-brown hue that enhances your natural beauty. This shade complements a wide range of skin tones. Enjoy beautiful, long-lasting color that fades naturally. Our henna formula nourishes your hair while providing vibrant, enduring results. Choose Zenia for a healthier, more natural approach to hair coloring. Embrace the power of henna for beautiful, radiant hair. What we like? Achieve a deep, natural reddish-brown hair color with these easy-to-use cones. If you prefer a rich, dark shade and appreciate the convenience of pre-filled cones, this product is for you. It's perfect for those who want a simple, effective, and natural hair coloring solution. What people say. The henna cones are easy to use and produce a dark stain. The designs are intricate and beautiful, perfect for special occasions. The henna paste is natural and organic, making it safe for all skin types. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.